Okay, so Sam Tuff, what beliefs are you going to pick for your three? Which one's gonna be
God the Father and God the Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit? Okay, cool. So we're going to go through each one of those questions one at a time, and you can take your time. There's no rush, and you just go through each one of those questions. Which one do you want to do first? Okay, so Sam, God the Father, never take thinking time because you don't need to like response. Is tell me about the belief of God the Father. Like, what is that kind of all about?
Believe that God is the Father um, like God being the leader of the church family and being the head of the family, the role of how the family dynamics work, and loving all of those who are in need in the church, in the church family.
Do you remember saying like any of those words to describe God that we talked about?
Omnipowerful, omnipresent.
Yeah, so what do those mean? Like the God's omnipotent.
Omnipotent is always around.
Okay. And what about there's another one you said. You said God is all powerful. Okay.
Omniscient.
Oh yeah, so what does it mean if he's omniscient?
Omniscient is all knowing.
Yeah, okay. So what I'm saying, where does the belief of God the Father come from in the Christian Catholic Church?
It comes from the creation story in 1 and 2.
Hmm.
And it comes from the way that he created the world and he became the father to the world and nurtured it and grew it from a ball of rock floating through space to a lush green and blue planet of wonderful life and love and yeah.
Okay. So Sam, your final question for God the Father is why is this belief important to the Catholic Church? Like why does it matter so much that we have a belief of God the Father?
Well, it'd be because without God the Father there is no Trinity, but also it would be that um, every family needs a leader, and every
Yeah.
everything needs a greater yeah.
So when you talk about like Trinity, what do you mean by
Or the relationship of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit,
that? Okay.
all being one as one entity, one divine spirit, but also three separate.
Okay. Well done. Is there any other things you would like to say about
Not really.
God? Okay. So Sam, what is your second belief?
God the Holy Spirit.
Okay. So tell us about belief of God the Holy Spirit. What does that mean?
The belief of God the Holy Spirit is that He's one of the three parts of the Trinity, one of the three parts of the Trinity, and it's 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 the belief of the part of part of God that drives people in the church and outside of the church to action and yeah, like the um the refugee that climbed up the um building to save the child from falling. Yeah, he was driven by the Holy Spirit to save the life of that child. And yeah, the Holy Spirit is often the driving force when it comes to actions that affect people's lives spiritually and sometimes physically.
Okay, so now the second question is, where does this belief of the Holy Spirit come from?
Well, in the New Testament of the Bible, there was all of the disciples meeting after Jesus had died and talking to each other what they would do,
Mm.
and there was all of a sudden the roaring wind and the fire that entered through the window and then rested upon top of all the disciples' heads. And then when they came out, they were driven to speak the word of God, and they were speaking in languages that were not Hebrew. They were speaking in Latin and Arabic and all those other languages that people in that region didn't usually speak, and it was the travelers that spoke it. And yeah,
And for your final question, why is this belief important? Like, why is belief in the church?
important because Catholic and the Christian Church need like anything, it needs a driving force behind it, and there's no greater driving force than the force that caused most of the actions, or all of the actions in the Bible. There's no greater thing that can push someone to do something than a part of the Creator himself. And it's important because yeah.
Are there any final things called the Holy Spirit?
Not really.
No?
Like,
Cool. That's beautiful.